اور خاک یثرب پر جب پیارے آقا صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کے مبارک قدم پڑ گئے تو یہ مدینہ النبی اور مدینہ منورہ بن گیا اور اسلام کا گڑھ بھی، اور یہیں سے اسلام پلنے پھولنے لگا اور ایک رائزنگ پاور کی صورت میں ایمرج ہوا۔ تو بھلے کیسے ممکن تھا کہ قریش مکہ اسے برداشت کرے، اور یوں مارکہ بدر رونما ہوا اور اللہ تعالیٰ نے مسلمانوں کو ایک عظیم فتح سے نوازا۔ اسی وجہ سے اس دن کو یوم الفرقان کے نام سے یاد کیا جاتا ہے۔
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم my dear buddies. Today we have to know about the major battles Ghazwat during the time of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Well, now we are going to discuss the Battle of Badr. So let's move on.
مبارک 17ویں تاریخ رمضان یوم جمعہ تھا، خدا کے دین کے غلبے سے عدو پر تار صدمہ تھا۔ عدو دین مکہ میں ستاتے تھے، محمد کو مٹانا چاہتے تھے، رات دن وہ دین احمد کو۔ سبھی کوشش ہوئی ناکام تو حیران ہوئے دشمن، برائے قتل پیغمبر سرے میدان ہوئے دشمن۔ صحابہ پر عدووں نے مسلسل ظلم جھپڑائے، رسول دو جہاں پر بھی ستم کے تیر برسائے۔ خدا سے حکم ہجرت جب ہمارے مصطفیٰ پائے، مدینہ کر کے ہجرت مصطفیٰ تشریف لے آئے۔ عدو دین نے اسلام کو بڑھتے ہوئے دیکھا، خدا کے دین کے سورج کو جب چڑھتے ہوئے دیکھا۔ مقام بدر آ پہنچے چراغ دی بجھانے کو، خدا کے دین پر چلتے تھے جو ان کو مٹانے کو۔ حق و باطل کی پہلی جنگ زمین بدر نے دیکھی۔
The Battle of Badr was a major military victory for the early Muslims led by Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and took place on March 13, 624 AD near the city of Medina in present-day Saudi Arabia. This battle is highly significant in Islamic history and is known as Yawm al-Furqan due to victory achieved by the Muslims. Now let's have a look at the main causes which led into conflict between the Muslims and the Quraysh of Makkah. The battle took place during a time when the Islamic State led by Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced opposition and hostility from the Quraysh tribe, a dominant polytheist tribe in Makkah, while Muslims had recently migrated from Makkah to Medina to escape persecution. Hostility between the Islamic community in Medina and the Quraysh tribe in Makkah majorly responsible for this tussle. The Muslims had faced persecution and opposition in Makkah, leading to their migration to Medina, where they emerged as a power. The Muslim community in Medina wanted to defend itself against ongoing threats and attacks from Quraysh. The Battle of Badr was seen as a defensive strategy to protect the Muslim community. Now have a look at the immediate cause of the Battle of Badr. Friends, the immediate cause of the Battle of Badr was a clash between a trade caravan of the Quraysh of Makkah and Muslim force. The caravan led by Abu Sufyan later embraced Islam and became a Sahabi, so we should refer to him Hazrat Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhum. Well, caravan was returning from Syria and was carrying valuable goods, which was seen by the Muslim as an opportunity to weaken the Quraysh economically. This led to a conflict between the two sides at Badr, resulting in a historical Battle of the Badr. Let's have a look at the circumstances and major events of the Battle of Badr. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam received intelligence that the Quraysh had dispatched a force of around 1,000 soldiers to protect the caravan. This information allowed the Muslims to plan and prepare their armed forces, comprising around 313 soldiers. The battle began with a series of duels between selected champions from both sides. These duels showed the bravery and skill of individual fighters, boosting morale among their respective forces. On Friday 17th of Ramzan 2 Hijri, both armies met at a place named Badr. In a fierce battle, the Muslims won a decisive victory, with casualties including the killing of 70 Qurayshite soldiers, while an equal number were captured. However, 14 Muslims were martyred. The capture of Qurayshite leaders, including Abu Jahl, was a significant blow to the Qurayshite morale and leadership. Before going to take a look at the significance of the battle, we must endorse the role and leadership of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. The Prophet ﷺ played a crucial role in organizing the Muslim forces and providing inspiration during the battle. His guidance on the battlefield boosted morale and determination of the Muslim fighters. Now let's move on to its significance. The Battle of Badr is considered a turning point in the growth of the Islamic State because it had huge political, military and psychological consequences. It not only secured the survival of the Muslim community in Medina, but also established and improved the Prophet ﷺ leadership and reputation. The battle also affirmed the belief among Muslims in the divine support for their cause. A bunch of thanks and Jazakallah for watching. Stay blessed. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.